places of Darjeeling districts of West Bengal, and those are Nepchajagar, Chatakpur, and Darjeeling. We are living literally within cloud, and this is the view from our hotel window. And we left for Jorebunglow. So Pokri means this kind of small ponds, and we will start for our journey to Chatakpur village. Full throttle and the tire is almost gone. Norbuji, he is taking good care of us. The mighty peaks of Kanchenjunga is visible. So we are almost in Chatakpur, and last few meters of the journey is left in this kind of slope, so the car cannot climb up. They are sliding down, and we are waiting here. The road is a bit dangerous, as you can see. The tire was sliding here, so in spite of we putting boulders and all, they could not climb up. So they have taken the car downwards. Maybe we have to evacuate it, and it will come up all empty. It's quite a high slope, so I'm not sure how we are going to reach the final mile. uh, I think we have to give some hand. It was full throttle and the tire is almost gone, so it's a bit dangerous. So I'm back again after the joyride we had downstairs. Had a bit of walk and finally reached our stay in Humro Home. We will be staying here for next couple of days, and you will have fun with me. Good morning everyone. It's been day 2 in Chatakpur, and as you can see, it's shivering. We're literally living within cloud, and the bad news is we do not have any power backup since last evening, so it's all in dark and there is a very limited amount of hot water left. So we are thrown back to dark, as you can say, and we have to spend another, say, 24 to 30 hours in this condition if the power is not getting restored. So but the scenic beauty is awesome. As you can see, it's like living within cloud. Kids are having fun just behind me. The prayer is enchanting here, and
there is a bacha there. There is a bacha, and there. Hi. We are playing with many games, and there is a bike whose name is Pulsar. It's very fantastic bike. It's very fantastic bike. My hobby is. Hi. Bye. This is very big house, and we have a big hotel.
so as you all can see, we are having really fun, and you can see
There is
some
a car.
cars are parked here, so it might be motorable road.
There is jungle.
That's the sanctuary.
There is the forest. We have
Let's
seen
peek in there.
there were dense forest. Dense forest.
This is our host Norbuji. He is taking good care of us, and he's a very nice person.
Very nice place that we went to
And we
see.
are having quite a disturbance here from like the kids, and
There is a hotel.
just with that,
There is a tree house.
and we are again living in cloud. So it's overall a nice experience.
Bye bye.
Hi. So we had our lunch, and we have climbed up all the way to the top of the hill. I have a small viewpoint available, though there is not much of view left in this cloudy condition. But you can always enjoy the moment. So it's quite good guided railed way with concrete flooring, and the viewpoint is on the summit of this hill. We came around say 200 feet uphill from our homestay, and that's the place if you are able to see. So I will be there soon. Morning everyone. So it's almost 5:45 in the morning on the day 3 of our Chatakpur journey, and we got a good news for you. We got a clear sky finally, and the mighty peaks of Kanchenjunga is visible from that corner. I'm not sure what you can see from this camera, but it's the moment of truth for us, and they are enjoying this view. Is enjoying what they came for, what they are suffering these shivering winter uh, winds for, and that's the peak. It's not much covered in camera, but if you want to enjoy it, you have to come to this kind of place. I hope it will get bit better unless the cloud climbs up, and the sunrise will happen anytime soon. So I will sign off from you here, and until we meet again, bye bye for now.